This looks like ordinary rock, but inside this stone hides one of the world's most valuable metals.
To reach gold, we must first destroy the rock, crushing, grinding, separating with absolute precision.
Gold doesn't shine here, it dissolved. Chemistry separates value from waste.
Every gold bar carries fire, pressure, and time. But its value lasts forever. Every 24K gold bar begins as ordinary stone.
The readings here confirm high purity at 20 meters.
Yes, the AU 24K density map looks promising. We should mark this spot.
The density is high here, roughly 5 meters down.
And the purity holds at 24K across the layer.
We're showing a deviation on the lower strata. Adjust angle by 2 degrees north.
Confirmed. Making the adjustment now. Hold position.
The fragmentation looks excellent, right on target.
Confirmed. We hit the 24K zone perfectly.
All units, confirm status. Seals must be verified. Checkpoint Alpha reports green. Moving to staging now.
Bravo team, hold short. We have a final sweep.
Gold ore cleared.
Maintain pressure. Don't over-fracture gold veins.
Target particle size locked for 24K extraction.
Gold liberation phase initiated.
Slurry density stable on bed. Perfect for gold recovery.
Gold fraction secured. Tailings redirected.
we looking on the dissolution timing for this batch?
The data suggests we're stabilizing right on schedule. We should be ready for the next stage by 1400.
pH is stable at 7.2. Oxygen saturation optimal. Gold concentration confirmed at 24K. System running smoothly.
Gold recovery unit transfer complete.
Confirmed. I have custody.
The current flow is stabilizing now that we increase the amperage.
Yes, the deposition rate has improved significantly. Look at the gauge.
Look at the fluctuation on the gauge. We are at 300 amps.
I see it. Let's maintain this level for the next cycle and check the thickness.
Ignition sequence initiated.
Pressure holding steady at 200 bars.
Batch number 47 confirmed. Purity level 24K AU within tolerance.
The flux ratio is critical for binding the impurities. We've adjusted it slightly for this batch.
Radio check. Stability confirmed.
Roger that. Maintaining current levels. Confirmed. Maintain current flow.
The composition is approved. 99.8% gold confirmed.
Excellent. The results are clear. 99.8% gold. It's approved for the next stage.
Stabilization complete on Crucible 1.
Confirmed. Initiating lateral transfer.
The data confirms 24K purity.
Stabilized and ready. I'll initiate the sign-off.
The spot price is fluctuating rapidly. We should lock in the insured value now.
I agree. This valuation looks stable enough for the policy.
The current spot price is holding steady. We should finalize the assessment now.
Agreed. The numbers look accurate according to the analysis.
24 confirmed. Awaiting manifest clearance.
Clearance received. Secure the gates.
The shipment data aligns perfectly with the verified weights from the refinery.
Yes, cross-reference the assay reports. Everything is in order.
Excellent. I will authorize the release now. The intake weights match the assay reports.
Check the London bullion codes on screen 3.
It's within tolerance. The density is confirmed. All right, finalizing the approval now.
Manifest confirmed. Doors engaged.